country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to liberty of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.